Your HP EliteBook's screen looking a little blurred or a little glassy kind of thing, then you're gonna thought about that. What's the problem with my laptop? I mean, it can be very, very mindfuck for you. I'm sorry, but it can destroy your everything, because many times it happens with us that using our HP EliteBook business laptops or many other laptops too, then we feel that our screen before this day working very good, but in few these days its screen is not working that well, and then you start thinking about that my laptop screen is get out of order, or its cable is loosened or anything like this. Then this is not with the case with your laptop. The case is that it has a button, as you can check out in front of you. This button, as you can check out, this button is the main key and main reason for this. You have to press that button because this is a privacy button, so that anyone can't see your data from this side of yourself, and for save you from the data theft or your data consumption or uses. So this is the privacy button. You have to press that and it will go to your normal video normal screen option, and if you press it again it will get into the privacy mode. So that's the process and that's the scenario. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't subscribe and hit the icon for get more videos like this. Hope you understood that how you can solve your problem.